Smeg refrigerator model FAB28URPK3 error codes. Smeg 50's Retro Style Series 24-inch freestanding counter-depth top freezer refrigerator with 9.92 cubic feet total capacity, 3 glass shelves, 0.92 cubic feet freezer capacity, right hinge, crisper drawer, manual defrost, Energy Star certified, adjustable glass shelves, LED lighting in pink. Error codes. Code SR. Problem. Failure warnings. Appears when one or more of the refrigerator parts fail or there is a problem in the cooling system. Code LF. Problem. Freezer compartment is not cold enough. This warning appears if there has been a power failure for a long period and when the refrigerator is operated for the first time. 1. If your frozen food is thawed, consume them as soon as possible and do not freeze them again since there is a risk of putrefaction. 2. Temporarily increase the freezer temperature setting to the desired level or switch the appliance to fast freezing mode. Code LP. Problem. Low voltage. Refrigerator switches to the standby mode when the voltage supply falls below 170 volts. This feature prevents the compressor from getting damaged due to low voltage. Refrigerator will start operating automatically when the voltage restores to the required level.